So previously, we learned about different kinds of data types in Golang. And in this video, we would be learning how to store that data in variables. So variable is a named unit of data that is assigned a value. It is simply a reference to a value and is one of the foundations of being able to construct programming logic. Now, even if you change the value of the variable, the name of the variable still remains same. In Golang, declaring a variable can be achieved in a number of ways. We've already learned how Go is a statically typed language. And as such, when variables are declared, they're either explicitly or implicitly assigned a data type. Let's understand what that means. So one of the ways by which you can declare a variable in Golang is using this syntax. So a variable is initialized by using the var keyword. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have special meaning to the compiler. Over here, var keyword is used to declare a variable. Then we specify the variable name. Then, the data type of the variable. Following it is the assignment operator, which we also call equal to. It signifies that the variable should be assigned a value of whatever is to the right of equals to. And then we have the value or data that we want to store. Let us see how can we declare variables of different data types. Let's start with string variable. So over here, following the syntax that we just learned, so we have the var keyword, the name of the variable, data type, which is string in our case, equals to hello world. So hello world will be stored in the variable s, and s is a variable of string data type. Let's create an integer variable. Again, you use the var keyword. The name of the variable will be I in this case. Int is the keyword for integers, equals to 100. So the variable I will store the value 100 and I is of integer data type. Let's create a variable of Boolean data type. So we have var b bool equals to false. This means that our variable b contains the value false. And as you might remember, that bool data type can only store either true or false value, both of them in complete lower cases. Let's create a float variable. So float variable, you can either use float 32 or float 64 as data type. So we write var f float 64 equals to 77.90. Let's see a running example now. So we start with the package and import declarations. We are also going to start with function main. So we place the variable declaration inside our main function. And in this case, the name of the variable is greeting and it's storing the value hello world. Now we're going to print this variable using the println method by fmt package. So when you run the program, you get the value hello world in the output. This is because the value of the variable was printed by the println method. The value of the variable greeting was hello world, and hence we got hello world in the output. Well, that's it for this lecture. We'll see you in the next one.